Hey guys, this is Keciler Luxury Skincare. We'll be doing a 2 ingredients detergent today. Okay, liquid detergent. So we'll be doing with 2 ingredients only. We'll be using SLS and we'll be using our SLS and we'll be using sodium sulfate. Okay, the other ones are optional. Your perfume, your color, as you want to mix it. So this is going to be a very short video that we are going to do. This is something that you can, because of the how economy is, you can easily do this and use it to wash both your clothes, or use it to wash plate dishes in the house. So this one is 500 grams of SLS. That's what we are using. We will be melting it. The thing is somehow tricky, so that's why we advise you to always wear your safety garments. You can always use your glove, always use your nose mask. Okay. Come to SLS, we have 2 types of SLS. As I always tell you guys, we have the powder one, we have this one that is on price. So 2 of them, anyone you can get is okay to use. Okay, if you cannot stay to melt this, because this one that is like rice takes long to melt, you can also blend it. You can also blend it for easy melting. So we are setting it aside so that we'll be able to mix our sodium sulfate. So this is aside. Our sodium sulfate. We are using 240. Okay. The best way to melt all these chemical powders is for you to pour it into the water. Please don't pour water inside it, but rather pour the chemical inside water. Okay? This is our sodium sulfate. I'm outside doing this because these things are chemical. Whenever you want to do it, please don't stay inside the house to avoid choking, because these are chemicals. I advise you to stay outside the place that is ventilated so that you will not choke when doing it, guys. Please. After a few minutes of waiting for our SLS and sodium sulfate to melt, this is our sodium sulfate and this is our SLS, which I've been adding them together. So this is the result. To become very thick, like a paste of cream. is our soap. It has a transparent after 24 hours. Okay, this is it. So you can make it any color you want, which is optional. This soap is very thick. It is very thick. So I'm even going to dilute it because it's very thick. So guys, I will share it now to make it 2 colors so that you guys will see how a soap is. Thank you. Okay, this is our the colors that we made. I shared it into 2. I made an orange color and a green color. Okay, so you can use it for commercial purpose and you can still use it for your personal use. It saves you a lot of money for buying in the market. So our liquid soap is ready, guys. So you can see how sweet and jelly it looks, and it's really foamy, or it lathers a lot. Okay, so guys, go ahead and practice this. The coloring, I bottle it. Okay guys, you can see where I bottle it for my house use. You can use it as a present to your friends that is doing wedding, doing a burial, whatever occasion. You can give it out for them as a gift. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys a lot.